Hey guys, it's Christopher over at Funtown RV. Right now we're in Corsicana's indoor showroom, and do I have a treat for you. Behind me is the Cherokee Wolfpack 315 PACK12. I'm gonna show you some of the amazing features of why this Wolfpack has a huge following. All right guys, right here up front, we have the front passageway to our pass-through storage. So tons of room, tie downs all the way through. So you're making sure that no matter what you have in here, it is secured. And then right under here, sneak peek guys, it is astonishing how Cherokee was able to bring this to you and partner with Funtown to get this amazing camper that already has this 5,500 size generator at this low price. So guys, amazing thing, right? So this generator is not a pull start or anything like that. We have the electric start, but other than that guys, this is gonna be able to run off the fueling station in the back. So you're running off that fuel tank that's already installed. You're not having to add anything else. So after you go to our camp town, get your starter kit with all your camping essentials like your wheel chocks, blocks, water hose and sewer hose. Everything else is already in here. You are prepped and ready for fun. All right guys, we're on the door side of the camper. First off, I want to point out Furrion Prep for a side marker camera. So that's huge whenever you're going down the road, all about eliminating the blind spot on this humongous fifth wheel that has all the capability of bringing all the fun with you. So right here, this is going to be our propane tanks. So we have our selector knob here, so whether you want to run off the door side tank or your off door side tank, you're able to do so. And it is red right now, which means we have no propane going. Of course, because we're in our humongous, largest indoor showroom in the state of Texas. But whenever you get out to that campsite and you're ready, you just turn that propane on, turn your knob, and you're ready to go. Everyone check out this humongous pass-through storage with all these tie-down points. So no matter what you have in there, again, everything is secured. And then check this out. It is controlled right there. So magnets, that way you just push it right up and everything is good to go. We have our Solaire 12-volt awning. I don't think you guys understand. Look how big and massive this awning is. And you're gonna notice we have the light above the door, but there's not a light switch running across. The reason being, if you look right up here, we're gonna have lights on the awning. The reason for that is we want any insect that's gonna be attracted to light away from that door. So Cherokee put it on our awning arms, so whenever it's all the way out, all those insects and stuff are gonna be out there, not getting inside that camper. Check this out. This is our tankless water heater. That's right guys, I said tankless. It is an Insta-Hot water heater, so no matter what it is, you don't have to worry about running out of warm water when you're taking a shower, doing the laundry, or whatever it may be. Right above that is gonna be our driven marine grade outdoor speakers. There are two of them bad boys in this humongous camper on both sides, so you're able to jam out whether it's at the campsite or you're at a tailgate. All right, so right here beside our steps is of course gonna be our lease latch. So if you have that furry friend and they need to stay outside, no worries, you have that latch right there. We have our quick connect for an outside hose. You're like, why do I need the hose? Well, if you need to wash anything in your outside sink, that's in our outdoor kitchen. So we have our 2-burner stove, our ice maker, and our hot point outside fridge. So a lot of features that you're seeing here, tons of room, tons of space. We have our outside TV mount with our hookups right below. You guys check out these rims. These are amazing rims that you see on this camper, and then they are nitrogen filled. So no matter what, you're gonna know that it's not gonna fluctuate. And then you may have noticed it, but if you didn't, these are Goodyear. That's already included in this low price that Funtown RV has right now. This is our second entry door. So if you just need in your garage to get to that toy or whatever it may be, you're able to do so without actually having to walk all the way through the camper. As we continue on, whenever we get inside, you'll see it a little more, but right now I got my big guy right here, Santa Claus, coming to see us. on our rear patio. So see how much space is around here, guys? Tons of room. As we continue on around the side, you'll notice right here is going to be my fueling station. So this is the station that you're going to be able to fill up those toys. So just like when you're at the gas station, we got our nozzle right there. We're able to turn that on right here with these controls, but also the fuel that's in this tank is going to be what's running that generator. So this camper can completely go off grid. So you're able to fill that freshwater tank, have that generator, and say goodbye to society for a couple of days and enjoy those outdoors. All right, guys, we just took a look at the outside of this Cherokee Wolfpack 315PACK12. Let's go take a look inside and look at all those amazing features. All right, guys, we are in this humongous 315PACK12, brought to you by Forest River. And in this camper, guys, look how much counter space I have here. We have our 3-burner stove, humongous oven. We have our High Point microwave right next to this humongous fridge and freezer. Guys, look how much space is in there. Storage above and below. I don't think you would be able to pack this thing completely full. There is so much space. Right over here is going to be our booth dinette. Tons of room, tons of space. Check out these windows. So that's going to be a crucial point whenever you're finding those camping sites, that you're going to want to make sure that, one, our back patio and then our windows inside our living room and dining room are facing the lake, the mountains, or whatever it may be. So it's going to be huge and crucial with such a great camper like this. Also, guys, this booth dinette does fold down and make into a bed, so you have so much sleeping room in here. I'm going to go over it with you. You ready? We have 2 sleeping here. We have 1 up in our loft, and then 4 people able to sleep in our garage with the bunks. So we'll go over that in a second, but there is so much sleeping. But don't forget, you have 2 more up in our master bedroom. All right, guys, right now we're in this living room. Check this out. This humongous space. We're gonna go ahead, recline a little bit. Right across from our TV and fireplace, we have the vibration, heated seats, and then our lights. And then, of course, our center console for all those snacks, goodies, and whatever else we can fit in there. All right, guys, right now we are in the bathroom, this corner shower, tons of room, tons of space. Guys, I'm 6'4", so there is tons of room in this bad boy, and they have not left anything untouched. They have a porcelain toilet. Remember, we have that Insta hot water heater, so you're able to have that hot water instantly on the go. Now let's go check out that master bedroom. All right, guys, now that we're in the master bedroom, check out, we have this amazing bed with hanging room on both sides, storage above and storage under the bed. But there's one more thing I want to show you. Take a look over here. Right here is actually going to be, you have a start button inside the camper for your outside generator. So that is humongous, right? It's crazy breathtaking. You're able to start that generator from inside. You don't have to go out, so if it's freezing cold or it's deathly hot, no worries. You're able to do so in here. Get everything cranked up and running so you can start enjoying that AC for some reason if you don't have power from shore power. All right, guys, now that we saw this amazing master bedroom, let's go check out that garage. All right, guys, let's check out this garage. So as we walk out here, there are some amazing features that I want to point out. We have our dual couches right here, so you're able to enjoy the outdoors. These fold up, and these actually will fold down and make into a bed, and our top bunk will come down. So these, whenever you have your toy in here, will fold up against the wall, so you're able to fit it in. You're not just fitting one little motorcycle through here. Guys, with this big garage, we're fitting some big toys. Other than that, guys, there are so many packed features. If you take a look right here, we are able to, we just will pull of the button, lock this in. This slides over, and it has a screen that we can lift up on both sides. What that does is, now this is enclosed, we're able to keep this cool, open this up when we want to go out on the patio and enjoy the outdoors. But let's say we want to also keep that patio down, but it's time to sleep. The kids are tired, they want to go to sleep. We're able to close everything up, shut it off, and still having fun. Guys, I know as a kid, I always begged my parents to open one present before Christmas. And Funtown has a gift from you. We have huge savings on all of our campers. Our 2022s have been cut so hard no one else in the market can even touch them. The big guy here himself couldn't have such a good gift that we are putting on for you. But other than that, let me show you some amazing features that this Wolfpack has that we have not had a chance to cover yet. All right, guys, so it's all about safety and fun, right? So Cherokee made sure that you are prepped for a rear camera by Furrion, so that's gonna help eliminate blind spots, and you can actually see that display as you're going down the road. Or whenever you're backing up your camper into that perfect spot, you're able to do so and make sure everything's safe, fun. But Cherokee added that one extra step. You know, they always gotta one-up it, and they definitely did on this one. Come check this out. Guys, they prepped it for a rear camera in the garage. So you're able to see the toy that is secured in the garage. You don't have to worry, oh, how did I tighten it good enough? Is it gonna be wobbling around? No worries. You have the camera, you get our 7-inch display or 5-inch display in our Camptown Outfitters, and you're able to see your toy, your rear camera, your side cameras. Everything is safe and you're having fun. But guys, while you're having fun on that, I wanted to show you this feature as well. This is our washer dryer hookups. They've made it where you can have a washer and dryer. So again, it's all about those amenities that you have at home and taking them on the go. All right, guys, we just did the walkthrough of the Cherokee Wolfpack 315PACK12. The big guy in Funtown wanted to thank you. Make sure you like, follow, and share. Comment with any questions you may have. And remember, guys, the fun starts here.